As you can see, having a few lasers comes in handy on a construction site. The point is to mark the distance points on that wall and on the other one. Unfortunately, we all know that setting up the laser to catch two edge points is always time consuming, because we have to move the entire line and spend a moment figuring out how to make them meet. But if only there were an easier way to set this up, I would be very grateful. Although, once again, a big round of applause for Nivel. A really excellent adapter included with the laser. As I mentioned earlier, it's always a bit of a hassle to catch 2 points, because when we move the laser, we shift the entire line, meaning both the front and back move away from us. But Nivel came up with a brilliant idea to create a magnetic adapter. So we detach it and we have a standard laser. How does it work? We set the laser to the first point, and thanks to this adapter and the knobs on the left and right sides, we move only the other side. The center, that is, this spot, remains in place the whole time. Here we move it, the line moves the back as well, but our point stays in the same place the whole time. As you can see, I can still move it there, probably 5 degrees there. We then proceed to turn the knob and carefully look for the second crucial point. And here the center always stays where it should. This will make the walk much easier. Here we have to measure 2 6-meter bus bars. Similarly, I don't know, we can measure the spacing of profiles. The lighting layout, it will work great for many cool things. And likewise, for example, marking out partition walls. Something like that. It makes things much easier. A great solution. You can only congratulate them for finally starting to listen to users and create accessories. Very useful for work. Here we have a model marked with a B. This means the laser is blue. At the back, you can see the blue beam. On the other laser, I'll proceed to turn on the bright green one for a direct and total comparison. And if it's indeed possible, I will also endeavor to activate the vibrant violet beam in order to observe its distinct characteristics and properties.